Now that you have your Willo BrushBot set up, it's time to get brushing. First, select your brush mode by pressing the brush mode button on the bottom of the handle. Select the turtle for gentle mode to get a gentle yet effective clean, or the rabbit for deep clean mode to get a faster paced and deeper clean. Both modes will brush for 2 minutes. Before you start, make sure the blue lip rest is attached correctly. The blue lip rest creates space around your teeth for Willo to brush properly. Next, wet the bristles and shake off the excess water into the sink. Place 2 to 3 pumps of Willo foaming toothpaste evenly across the brush head. Insert the OptiClean brush head. For an easier fit, guide one side in at a time. There's plenty of room inside the cheeks for a comfortable fit. Seal your lips around the blue lip rest before biting down. Sometimes kids bite too soon, making it harder for them to stretch their lips into the right place. Position the bristles against your teeth and gums and hold the handle up and horizontal while brushing. Press the top, start, pause button to begin brushing. Willo will brush your top teeth for 1 minute. While brushing, Willo Smart Sensor is here to help. If the handle tilts too far down, Willo will beep to remind you to hold the handle up so you can get the best clean. After 1 minute, the handle will stop brushing, signaling it's time to flip and brush your bottom teeth. You can follow your progress on the Willo app, which syncs with the timer in your Willo. When you're done, rinse the OptiClean brush head with water and you're good to go. Check the Willo app to see your updated brushing history.